Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius. So, for your general energy, Sagittarius, for your career situation and relationship, guys, I'll be picking few cards. So, let's see what is coming with your general energies. So, first, let's pick the cards and then we will start the reading, guys. These are general readings, guys, so it may or may not resonate with your situation. So take it as it resonates. I hope it resonates, guys. So you can think about your situation before I open these cards. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your daily energies, guys. Sagittarius, it's Two of Earth, transformation, and Five of Water. So these are for your daily energies, guys. So these energies, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So there are some huge changes in your situation, in your career or in your life. Maybe somebody is leaving you. It may be your friend or someone from your family or this person. So some things are happening which are beyond your control. You are unable to stand in the way of that change. So those changes are taking place all by itself. Something is bringing in those changes, guys, and you are trying to find that balance today. You are trying to adapt. Maybe someone important for your career, they may be leaving you, or it may be your person with whom you are in relationship with. Maybe they are moving out all of a sudden. Maybe they are going out for work or to a different place, to a different city, maybe, or something like that, and it is making you put in lot of efforts trying to find that balance and harmony, peace of mind. So you are trying to be really flexible and maintain yourself emotionally. So a very difficult time for you guys, Sagittarius. And I also see that everything is changing, but these changes may look like something really bad, something really worrying you today, but these changes are necessary to bring out that greater potential in you guys. Maybe it is changing you the way life is destined to change you. So some changes are coming in the way you perceive your situation, and you were quite emotional till now, but today you are not. You don't want to cry anymore. So you just uh, have that serenity in your heart because you are having that acceptance of your situation. So this person has moved away and they have their own reasons. So your emotions, sometimes you feel overwhelmed with these emotions, but sometimes you are calm and quite composed. So you have that acceptance of these feelings and you are moving on with your life, guys. And you are ready to forgive and forget this person. That is also what I see, Sagittarius. So you are trying to move on. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We have three more cards here. Tower, Three of Air, and Messenger of Air. So again, we have a tower here. So huge changes are happening in your relationship, guys. So with this person, maybe if you are still with that person, or if things are something which is not what to say expected to come about in this relationship, you may not share that great understanding with them, and you are changing the way you see your situation, changing your perception and your responses and reactions. So this person I see, guys, maybe you love them but they do not love you, they want to leave you, so they are rejecting you maybe, and it is really difficult to see the truth. Maybe someone is coming to tell you the truth that they do not like you or they do not love you, and you feel rejected and sad. But you need to understand that rejection is a way of God's protection towards us, guys. So we don't want to go through more difficulties this way. So maybe universe or God or that higher power, whatever you call it, is helping us from more pain and more stress and sadness. So you feel really emotional and sad, but you need to understand that even this situation will change, guys. So you can be happy thinking that way, and things are changing so much in your situation, but you may feel that it is stressing you really sad. This person may be leaving you, or there may be quarrels, you may be having taking a break from each other. But whatever it is, whatever is stressing you today, the reason for this stress or for this challenging situation is to bring that transformation in you. That is the only reason these challenging situations are there in our life, guys, Sagittarius. So you can have that acceptance and patience for a brighter future. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your relationship. So let's see what are these cards for your career situation. Moon, World, and Messenger of Water. So with these cards for your career situation, guys, you are not yet ready to see the truth maybe in certain things in your career. Maybe there are huge opportunities waiting for you, but you are not yet aware of that. Maybe something is hiding your vision. Maybe the sadness you have in your personal life, or your focus is on something else. So some kind of blocks are there for you from seeing these opportunities. But very soon you are changing the way you handle your situation, and you are going to enjoy greater success in your situation, guys. And people are simply going to adore you for how you are dealing with your situation, guys, Sagittarius. So you are going to be extremely successful in your career, and even in your personal life you will bounce back, and maybe there will be people interested in you coming towards you, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.